Get started, open Google and search for ImexBay. Click on the first link to visit the platform, then click on the Get Started button. Enter your details, including your first name, email address, and password. Once you're done, click on Create Account. We'll send a verification link to your email. Open your inbox and click the link to verify your account, and that's it. Your account is ready. Log in to ImexBay. Enter your registered email address and your password. Click on Login, and you're in. Welcome to ImexBay. Let's get you started. After logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to set up your organization. You have two options: complete KYC to create your own organization, or join an existing organization. If you choose KYC, you can register your business and start operating independently. If you choose to join, you can become part of an existing organization and collaborate with their team. Once your organization is set up, you will select your business type. For businesses, you can choose roles like importer, exporter, trader, manufacturer, or reseller. For service providers, you can choose facilitator roles like freight forwarder, customs broker, insurer, bank, or inspection agency. Based on your selection, ImexBay automatically configures your workspace. If you are a business user, you will access the business dashboard, focused on trade tickets, quotes, and operations. If you are a facilitator, you will access the facilitator dashboard, focused on services, logistics, and trade support. This ensures that every user gets a tailored experience based on their role in the global trade ecosystem. With ImexBay, you're set up with the right tools from the very beginning. Welcome to the KYC verification process, your secure onboarding step for accessing the platform. Instead of dealing with complex documentation, you can complete your verification in a few simple steps. First, select your customer segment. You can choose between individual or non-individual, such as companies or organizations. Next, select the appropriate category. For example, individual, resident. If you're a resident user, based on your selection, the system will automatically show the required documents, such as a government-issued photo ID, address proof, and biometric or live verification. This ensures clarity, so you know exactly what is needed before proceeding. Once ready, click on Continue to KYC. To begin the verification process, the platform will then guide you step by step through document upload and identity verification. This makes the process fast, simple, and secure. With our KYC system, you don't just complete verification, you experience a smooth and guided onboarding. Welcome to your profile and settings. This is where you manage your account details and preferences. At the top, you can see your role and organization information, including your organization type and access level. In the profile section, you can update your personal details like name, phone number, and profile photo. Your email address remains fixed for account security. You can also change your password at any time to keep your account safe and secure. In notification preferences, choose how you want to stay updated, enable email notifications, receive quote alerts, or get a weekly summary of your activity. Under security settings, you can enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. You can also manage your active sessions and review where your account is currently logged in. In the danger zone, you have options to deactivate your account or delete it permanently if needed. With ImexBay, you stay in full control of your account, security, and preferences. Welcome to your trade catalog. This is where you showcase your products with HS codes and trade details. At the top, you can quickly search products by name, HS code, or description. Below, you can see all your listed products in one organized view. Each product shows important trade information like category, HS code, origin country, and unit of measurement. This helps you manage your catalog clearly and present your products in a professional way. Now, Let's add a new product. Start by entering the product name, then add a clear description with specifications and quality details. Select the correct HS code. To ensure proper customs classification, choose the product category and specify the origin country. Next, select the unit of measurement and upload product images if needed. You can also use AI templates to speed up the process. So product details are filled faster and more accurately. Once everything is ready, click Create Product. Your product is now added to the trade catalog, ready to be showcased and used in trade activities. With ImexBay, managing your trade catalog becomes simple, structured, and efficient. Welcome to your ImexBay dashboard. This is where you manage your entire trade activity in one place. At the top, you can see your total trade value, along with active tickets and your average ticket value. You can also quickly spot pending quotes that need your attention. Below that, track your trade performance over time with a clear monthly trend view. On the right, you can see ticket status, whether your trades are published, awarded, or closed. The recent activity section keeps you updated on everything happening across your trades. Use quick actions to move faster, create a trade ticket, submit quotes, find facilitators, or complete your KYC. At the bottom, you'll find your recent trade tickets with details like value, route, and status. From here, you can easily manage and track every trade. Welcome to your ImexBay Analytics dashboard. This is where you get complete visibility into your trade operations. At the top, track your total tickets and overall quote activity, along with your average quotes per trade. You can also monitor your acceptance rate, helping you understand how effectively your trades are converting. See how many quotes are accepted and how many are rejected, so you can improve your trade strategy over time. In the BY pipeline, track all your import requests from creation to final award. See how many requests are active, how many are in negotiation, and how many have been successfully awarded. This gives you a clear picture of your sourcing performance. In the sell pipeline, manage your export listings and product catalogs, understand how your listings are performing, and monitor their total value. Below that, view ticket status distribution to quickly understand where your trades stand. You can also analyze quote status to identify trends in supplier responses. The top suppliers section highlights your most active partners based on quotes submitted and accepted, helping you identify reliable trading relationships. Finally, the recent activity feed shows real-time updates from quote submissions to trade progress, giving you full visibility across every stage of your trade lifecycle. With ImexBay Analytics, you don't just manage trade, you make smarter decisions. Welcome to your trade tickets. This is where you manage all your import and export trades in one place. At the top, you can quickly view your total tickets, along with how many are active, awarded, or saved as drafts. Use search and filters to find any trade instantly. By ticket number, product, or HS code, each ticket represents a live trade opportunity. Let's create a new trade ticket. As an importer, you can create a buy ticket to request quotes from suppliers. Instead of filling everything manually, you can use AI to autofill your trade details. Simply select a template, and the system automatically generates the title, description, HS code, and key information. You can review and edit anything if needed. Now complete the remaining fields and create your ticket. Your ticket is saved in draft state, so you can review and publish it when you're ready. Once published, suppliers can submit quotes directly on your ticket. As quotes come in, you can compare options, evaluate suppliers, and award the trade to the best fit. This creates a clear and structured trade workflow from request to execution. With ImexBay, you manage every trade in a transparent and organized way. Welcome to Quote Management. This is where you submit and track quotes for trade tickets. At the top, get a quick overview of your activity, including available tickets, submitted quotes, accepted quotes, and total quoted value. Below, you can track quotes submitted by suppliers on your tickets, or switch to view your own submitted quotes. You can also filter by pending, accepted, or rejected quotes to quickly understand their status. Let's explore available tickets for quotation. Here you can see all open trade tickets with their type, title, and current status. If a ticket belongs to you, it will be marked as your own ticket and cannot be quoted. Now, let's submit a quote. Select a published trade ticket from another user, review the trade requirements, and prepare your offer. Enter the total amount, choose your currency, and define your delivery timeline. Add your payment terms to clearly communicate your conditions. You can also set a validity date and attach supporting documents if needed. Once everything is ready, submit your quote. Your offer is now shared with the buyer and moves into review, acceptance, or rejection. With ImexBay, all quote interactions happen in one place, making collaboration faster, transparent, and efficient. Welcome to Quote Comparison. This is where you analyze and compare supplier quotes side by side. Start by selecting a trade ticket. Choose any buy ticket that is open for quotation. Once selected, all submitted quotes appear in a structured comparison view. You can switch between matrix view or side-by-side comparison. This allows you to evaluate multiple suppliers easily, based on pricing, quantity, and key trade terms. Instead of reviewing quotes across emails or documents, everything is organized in one place. If no quotes are available yet, you can share the ticket with suppliers to start receiving responses. As quotes come in, you can compare options, identify the best offer, and make confident decisions. With ImexBay, supplier evaluation becomes simple, clear, and efficient. Now let's take a look at the notifications section. Here you can see all updates related to your service orders in real time. Each notification keeps you informed about important actions, such as task completions, updates from facilitators, and system events. For example, when a facilitator completes a task like freight booking, customs, or documentation, you'll instantly receive a notification here. This helps you stay on top of your entire workflow without needing to manually check each task. You can filter notifications by type, including trade updates and system alerts, or mark all notifications as read once reviewed. By keeping everything centralized, the notifications panel ensures you never miss a critical update in your service order lifecycle. Welcome to ImexBay Service Orders. Let's walk through how to create and manage a service order step by step. First, log into your dashboard and go to the Service Orders section. Once you accept a supplier's quote, a service order is automatically created and appears in your list. Open the order to view details. The system automatically breaks the order into different service tasks, such as freight, customs, and documentation, so you don't have to set them up manually. Next, facilitators will start submitting their quotes for each task. You can review these quotes based on pricing and delivery timeline, select the best option, and award the task to the chosen facilitator. Once tasks are assigned, you can track progress in real time. Each task moves from assigned to in progress and then completed. You can also open the trade room to communicate directly with facilitators and share documents. As the order progresses, monitor all stages from purchase to final delivery directly from your dashboard. And that's it. A complete, transparent way to manage your entire import process in one place. Welcome to the ImexBay Assistant, your AI-powered helper for global trade. Instead of searching through multiple pages, you can simply ask your questions here. For example, you can ask how to create a trade ticket or understand HS codes and compliance requirements. The assistant provides instant answers based on your trade workflow and data. You can also get help with product details, trade processes, or platform navigation. This makes it easier to complete tasks. Without confusion or delays, the chatbot is always available to guide you at every step. With ImexBay, you don't just use the platform, you get intelligent assistance built in.